Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Check it out. Yes, we are going to be unboxing Dior, darling. This is in collaboration with Lux Shopper, Lux_Shopper. I'm going to link their details above. They do personal shopping in the UK and courier to Southern Africa, and this is purely because there are some brands that are not available in Southern Africa. And yeah, if you're interested in a luxury shopping service, hit them up, DM them, and they will be able to assist you further. So without any waste of time, I have been eyeing these I'm gonna say it's shoes, of course. So anyway, so I'm gonna just remove the tissue paper. I've been eyeing this for a while, as I've said, and I did actually go in store you know, to try them on, you know, sometime last year, and I thought, okay, well, I think it's time to get me a pair, you know. So yeah, let us open it. Okay, so obviously they come in the Dior box. They actually, okay, I have opened them before, so that's the Dior box, and they were wrapped so lovely. I'm gonna show you how the wrapping was. Shopping at Dior is quite an experience. The moment you walk in, you know, the doorman will open the door for you, and then the sales associates will come in and, you know, ask you obviously what you're looking for and so forth. And yeah, after they find your item that you're looking for, they offer you a beverage, which might be tea, coffee, or champagne. I obviously go for champagne because I am such a liker of things, and I just love the service anyway. So they'll offer you champagne with chocolates or macaroons, you know, like that whole experience that, you know what, you're in my shop, and I understand that you're here, you know, to part away with a lot of money, so I'm going to smother you so that you can feel very happy and excited. Anyway, I digress. Let us open this box. So I got them in the size 40.5, and I had obviously fitted them. They do fit true to size, so that's something that one needs to know about Dior. And of course, you've got the dust bags, two of them for the shoes, and they are the lovely shoes. I got these in the patent leather because I just love them, you know. And I mean, I already have like black kitten heels, so I really wanted something different. So there we go, we've got the Dior heels. I'm going to take them out of the box, of course, and I'm going to tell you all about it. I really thought the nude color is quite unique and such a classic color as well. I mean, they've got their different colors, but I really chose this one. Let me take one without that. Okay, so yeah, so I really thought, okay, I'll take this particular patent leather. They do have fabric as well. They've got different designs, like even embroidered ones, but I chose this because it's even easier to clean, and I think it's really just, you know, it's quite flashy, yeah, but it just looks stylish. I think you can really style it with different items, I think. So that's why I thought, okay, let me go for the nude. And I particularly love this heel, you know. I think it's quite iconic, and it's quite firm as well, very strong for some of us big girls. So I've worn them around the house. They fit true to size. I also love that they're very wide here because I've got wide feet. But I mean, if you've got wide feet, I'm usually a size UK size 8, which is like 41, EU 41. They've got this sling, right? So I thought if I take a size 8, this will obviously stretch over time. So, you know, I don't want to really be struggling, you know, because you can't really adjust this. And as you can see here, it's got like, okay, so it's got like this elastic here, so it will stretch over time. And then you've got this bow here, which is absolutely stunning, and it is protected here with this. Let me just remove that. Oh my gosh, the craftsmanship, it's just absolutely delightful. Anyway, loved these. I thought, my goodness, it's one of those shoes that, yes, they're on the pricey side. Obviously it is Dior, but it's something that I'm gonna have for many years to come. I'm gonna pass it on to generations and generations to come. So there you see, that's how they look. So the shoes have a star right at the bottom, which is very unique to Christian Dior. So many months ago he picked up a star, and he believed that it was a lucky symbol that was intended to guide one in the right direction. And so this is why these shoes have this lucky star, and I believe that, you know, it's quite a good purchase, because, you know, I'm definitely gonna be walking in the right direction, don't you think? So yes, you can pick this up at the Christian Dior boutiques, and also in the UK you can get them at the Selfridges, Harrods. I would definitely recommend that you get them at Harrods, because you can actually earn points over time that actually translate into money, cashback that you can actually use. So yes, that is where you can get them. But yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. They retail at the moment for £780, which is about 16,000 rands, somewhat thereabout. But yeah, hey, I'm very much looking forward to working in these. I've been working in them in the house, but yeah, hey, I think they'll look very cute on a lovely brunch or afternoon tea, or maybe at a wedding or whatever. I just can't wait. So yes, don't be surprised if you see me wearing this like at almost every function. But anyway, yeah, so thanks for watching, and just a reminder that you can also, if you don't have Christian Dior in your country, you can get these via the Lux shopper, who can arrange everything for you, and I'm going to link everything down below. All right, thank you for watching.